and understanding it in a better way. So we are passionate to put trigger. See, our journey, whether me or Dinesh, we've been doing the same thing. We want to put your energy into you, because as a youth, when we passed out, I passed out in '93. We were totally ignorant. We were not knowing, where to go, what to do, how to do, and where are the companies, what is our sector. See, BBSC is like ABC, like our LKG or UKG. You only learn some alphabets. You even don't understand what are the words in that. So from there to jump on to start your career is a really Herculean task. But you need to have one burning desire. You need to have pumping spirits, as you all got up in the morning and with a lot of energy you are sitting with me. With these few words, I think Dinesh give me a great platform. I was telling Dinesh that ऐसा continue करना है. हम सब कॉलेज को पहुंचना है, सब लोगों को पहुंचना है, सब हमारा जो यंग यूथ है उनको हमारा नया दुनिया दिखाना है. इंडिया इज नया दुनिया नाउ. तो इंडिया में जो हो सकता है वो कभी पहले बोलता था आप आना है, ऑस्ट्रेलिया जाना है, वो जाना है, ये जाना है, वो सब बंद हो गया. अभी पूरा इंडिया में होगा. जो भी स्टार्टअप होगा, जो भी पैसा चाहिए, अभी मैं पूरा में सेशन में आपको दिखाने वाला हूँ पैसा कैसे बनाना है. तो आप मुर्गी में कैसे बना रहे, कौन बना रहे. So आप लोग नहीं बनाने से कोई आके बना के जाएगा. So that is the understanding. You should start with your thought process. I know that different colleges across India offer different way of teaching, but ultimately we are all professional colleagues. We are all veterinarians, and now we have proved veterinarians are no different from anyone. So we are into multifaceted actions. You take civil services, you find a veterinarian. You take an MBA graduate, you find a veterinarian. You take a businessman, you find a veterinarian. You go anywhere, NGO, veterinarian. So that is the gusto what we have today with our veterinarians. Veterinarians are none second to anyone. I think पहले था सर हम MBBS का पीछे है, अभी मैं बोलूंगा MBBS का पीछे नहीं, हम MBBS से आगे है. You see the COVID research happening in US. Most of them are veterinary microbiologists from my college. From Bangalore Veterinary College, I have a team of veterinarians working for human virus, the COVID virus. That is the strength of a modern, I would say, neo-veterinarian. सबने neo brand देखा होगा ना. अभी आप सब लिखना. We are all neo-veterinarians entering into the modern decade of 2020 onwards. So let me share the screen. I will start with the presentation. Dinesh, are you seeing the screen?
Yes.
Yeah. So I'll be with you. As I told you, now it is around 8:07, probably 9:15 I'll engage. Until then, you'll be with me. But I will want to interact with you. You can come into the chat box, type it, so that I'll not be talking monotonously here. Me and Dinesh are habituated to address large gatherings. We have addressed almost like 4,000, 5,000 audience, 2,000 audience and all that. But now talking to a system or a laptop is become our habit. No, hobby हो गया. अभी आपका सामने ना आप लोग नहीं दिख रहे हो, but फिर भी दिख रहे हो through the digital technology. Okay. So I have coined this presentation as shaping the future of Indian poultry sector in new decade. That means you're all entering into the new decadal poultry sector. How do you shape? How do you become a part of this journey? So in this presentation, I go like this. I want to take you across India. India घुमाना चाहता हूँ. India में क्या हो रहा है? India में अभी कितना हमने आगे बढ़ने के लिए ताकतमंद हो गया. हमारा ह्यूमन प्रोटीन रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है? मतलब ये लोग हमको क्लास में पढ़ाया जाता है 1 ग्राम पर किलो बॉडी वेट, बट उसके अलावा हमारा फूड हैबिट से कैसे जुड़े हैं? How our food habits have changed in a greater way, and what is the requirement of protein? ये हम भूल जाते हैं. And वो प्रोटीन हमारा सेक्टर जो है मुर्गी और अंडा में कैसे मिलते हैं? So ये जानकारी पहले देंगे, then बाद में we'll move into present structure of poultry. Poultry structure कैसे है? How is really poultry taught? I don't know whether now you are taught in LPM in the first year. Probably it's all evaporated. मुर्गी है तो मालूम है सर चिकन 65, चिकन तंदूरी, चिकन कलमी कबाब, इतना ही भूल के सब भूल गया होगा फाइनल ईयर वेटरनरी स्टूडेंट्स और MPSC. Unless you really know the poultry sector, probably first year evaporation still exists among you. However, some people may be passionate, they may be learning. Then the next point I want to teach you, or I want to set a dream in your life, is how to dream to be an entrepreneur. See, आजकल क्या हुआ ना, there are two classes. One is employee, another is employer. So I want you all to dream to become an employer. Become a team leader, maybe 2 people, 3 people, 4 people, 5 people, or 100, or 1,000, or lakhs, or millions. But dream that. It requires time. Don't worry. सर मैंने डिग्री कर दिया, पैसा कमाना है, ऐसा मत सोचो. इट इज टाइम दैट इज इन्वेस्टेड. तो ये आजकल आप लोग जो टाइम इन्वेस्ट करते हैं, आपका फ्यूचर के लिए इन्वेस्ट करते हैं. जैसे हम लोग 20 साल हम मेहनत करके ये मुकाम में पहुंच गया. पहले ऐसा नहीं थे हम लोग. हम भी आपका जैसे ही थे, पूरा कंफ्यूज्ड, रोमिंग लाइक अ सैटेलाइट. वी डोंट नो व्हाट टू डू, बट वी कुड एंकर आवर पाथ. दैट इज अ वर्ड आई वांट यू टू रिमेंबर. एंकर योर पाथ. You should know that where you are going, what you want to achieve in life, what you are dreaming. Ask yourself questions like what passionates you, what triggers you. जैसे अभी मेरे को दिनेश को बात करना अच्छा लगता है, हमको भाषण देना अच्छा लगता है, हमको पढ़ना अच्छा लगता है, इंफॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट करना अच्छा लगता है. So ऐसा आप लोग को भी you should find out that what triggers you. Don't go to an area where it doesn't trigger you. If it doesn't trigger you, you should quit it as quick as possible. Don't get trapped into that. If you get trapped, you'll be suffering. So don't get trapped into that. Think that how to become an entrepreneur. Then, sir, entrepreneur तो बन जाएंगे. पैसा किधर है? वो भी हम दिखाएंगे. हम ऐसा नहीं छोड़ेंगे आपको. 1.5 hour में हम सब दिखाएंगे आपको आपका साथी को भी पता ना. पैसा किधर है सर? बाहर आते ही पैसा किधर मिलता है, वो भी हम बताएंगे. How to take a loan or how to borrow money. Maybe venture capital, maybe source funding, maybe crowdfunding, maybe any other ideas which you borrow from your friends or relatives. Then I'll show you what are the trends, what are the startups in our sector. हमारा सेक्टर में कैसा इतना बड़ा स्टार्टअप आ गया. I'll show you they have really revolutionized the world of animal husbandry. Animal husbandry इतना आगे बढ़ा है. पोल्ट्री सेक्टर उसका मुकुट बन गया. अभी पोल्ट्री सेक्टर has become a face of animal husbandry sector as far as startups are concerned. We are equivalent to now Zomato's, we are equivalent to now Swiggy's. वो बड़ा नाम आप सुने होंगे ना. उसका बाजू में हमारा लोग बैठ रहे हैं. तो आप सोचिए हमारा लोग कितना मेहनत किया होगा ये स्टार्टअप बनाने के लिए. इसका फ्यूचर क्या है? So this is what I'll be briefing. So now this picture is my most favorite picture. सब लोग देख रहे होंगे. अभी देखिए ना, हमारा जिंदगी भी ऐसे ही रहता है. You will never get a certainty in life. It is like a boat in the sea. Boat in the sea is not guaranteed that आपको स्मूथ रनवे जैसा एयरक्राफ्ट में रनवे मिलते ना, ऐसा कभी नहीं मिलेगा. आपको सोचना होगा हमको नेविगेशन कैसे करना है. It is the word navigating. That means how do you come across the difficulties and go ahead. Your goal is different. Your path is not the goal. Don't get stuck anywhere, but you will face it. You'll have to learn to face the uncertainty. आप लोग सीखना पड़ेगा हम अनसर्टेनिटी को कैसे आगे बढ़ाएंगे. अभी फिलहाल आज का दिन में मैं और दिनेश को, आप सबको मालूम होगा, हमारा बड़ा ये देखिए ना वेव आ गया. What is this wave? सोया. हमारा मुर्गी का इंडस्ट्री ऐसा है अभी. It is facing an Herculean task of soya. What is this soya? Soya was there at 34 rupees. Now century मार गए. 100 क्रॉस हो गया. That means 3 times 300% आपका प्रोडक्शन कास्ट बढ़ेगा. अभी कैसे आप मैनेज करोगी? सर सोया तो ठीक है, मेज क्या कर रहे हैं? मेज भी उसके साथ ही है. मेज था 14 रुपीज, अभी 23-25 रुपीज हो गया. इसको कैसे हम संभालेंगे? So आपको सोचना पड़ेगा. These are the 2 things in poultry. Please remember for future that you need to navigate them. How do you navigate? The successor now today is who navigates the soya prices and finds an alternative. Who can navigate maize prices and still keeps his profit in a better way. So this is our technique. Now I am just shifting the topic. ये पढ़िए आप लोग. ये हमारा यूनाइटेड नेशंस का आपको मालूम है सेक्रेटरी जनरल WHO का. आप देखिए ना, विदाउट नेचर हेल्प वी विल नॉट थ्राइव और इवन सर्वाइव. ये हमारा वेटरनरी को क्लासेस में पढ़ाया नहीं जाता है. यू विल नॉट लर्न इन कॉलेजेस अबाउट दिस क्लाइमेट. बट UN report says, UN climate report of 2021 says you will not be finding a species viable. Climate disruption, biodiversity loss, pollution threaten our viability as a species. अगर ह्यूमन ही नहीं है तो क्या करेंगे हम लोग? हम ये सोचना शुरू करना है। ये पिक्चर में जो दिखा रहा हूँ ये आइसलैंड का है, ग्रीनलैंड का नीचे जो है, इधर पॉपुलेशन ही नहीं है, लोग ही नहीं है, लोग बहुत कम है, इसीलिए कितना अच्छा ग्रीन, कितना अच्छा फॉल्स मिलेगा। आपने लाइफ में ड्रीम किया तो ये प्लेस जाके देखना, बड़ा सुंदर, बड़ा क्लीन। बट व्हाई कांट वी मेक आवर प्लेस लाइक दैट? But the problem is you should understand climate is changing. You should know that where we are heading. ये भी आज कई फोटो है, मतलब क्या है, गूगल में आप ढूंढने से it is a incidences happening last week. I don't know how many of you are aware. Please put it in the chat box. What is the picture on the top? Quickly, I want to see someone typing. What is that I am showing on the top? ये दोनों क्या है? ये तीनों नीचे का दो क्या है? Kindly type in the chat box. Maybe Sachin Kadam. Flood in China is the right one. This is flood in China. Good. What is these two? What is this one? Left one. Fire in Turkey. Fire in Amazon. Amazon में अभी fire नहीं हुआ है. Fire in Turkey is the correct answer. Wonderful. What I want to see is, if you see here, आप देखिए ना, ये entire यूरोप में हम मानते थे कोल्ड कंट्री है, यूरोप जना बोलने से स्वेटर लेके जाते थे हम लोग। अभी आजकल बदल गया पूरा, यूरोप जल रहा है। Can you imagine Turkey under fire, Italy under fire, all this, Germany, all these areas are under fire. देखिए ना, इतना फायर आने से घर जल रहा है। So this is what is happening. Temperatures have crossed 42 degrees there. ये जो देख रहे हैं आप नीचे वाला, ये जर्मनी का फ्लड है। वेस्ट एरिया ऑफ जर्मनी, साउथ वेस्ट एरिया ऑफ जर्मनी में पूरा फील्ड उड़ गया, पूरा फील्ड। ये घर किधर मिलेगा आपको? पूरा फील्ड। दिस इज मे बी अराउंड 4-5 फुटबॉल स्टेडियम्स, इट इज गॉन। एंड दिस इज द आईफोन कैपिटल। आईफोन जो मैन्युफैक्चर होता है वर्ल्ड में, ये सब होता है ये जिंगडोंग प्रोविंस ऑफ चाइना। ये जिंगडोंग प्रोविंस ऑफ चाइना हमारा बेंगलुरु से भी बड़ा है। ये पूरा सिटी डूब गया, पूरा सिटी डूब गया। आपने देखा होंगे ना, पूरा मोबाइल में जो शूट किया है, सबवे में पूरा पानी आ गया। ऑल सबवेज आर क्लोज, ट्रेन्स में लोग दे वर ऑल ट्रैप्ड। सो दैट इज व्हाट यू शुड कीप इन एवरी बिजनेस प्लान टू डिजाइन एनवायरमेंटल फोकस। Why I am telling all this is, आपका बिजनेस जो होगा वो सस्टेनेबल होना चाहिए। आपने सोचना पड़ेगा पानी किधर से आएगा, आपने सोचना पड़ेगा अच्छा हवा किधर से आएगा। हाउ डू आई बिकम अ जीरो डिस्चार्ज यूनिट? आपको कुछ भी क्लाइमेट में डैमेज नहीं करने का, ये आप इनिशियली आप सोचने से आप आगे अच्छा सस्टेनेबल बिजनेस बढ़ाएंगे। Now, what is an opportunity for our poultry sector? So this slide gives you a great opportunity. हम लोग पूरा दुनिया में देखिए ना, 1900 में around 1800 our global population is just 2 billion. In 1900 our global population was just 2 billion. What are we predicting in 2050? 10 billion. 2 to 5, that means 500% jump within 200 years. Within 200 to 250 years, हमारा पॉपुलेशन जब इतना आगे बढ़ गया, we are reaching into 10 billion. 10 billion पॉपुलेशन के लिए आप लोग फूड देना है, 3 बार नहीं तो एटलीस्ट 2 बार तो देना पड़ेगा। तो how do you do that? This is your challenge. ये स्लाइड देखिए ना, over next 40 years, we all need to produce as much as food we have produced in last 8,000 years. So now you need agricultural revolution. जो भी agri business कर रहे होंगे, आपका जमाना आ गया। अभी आपको मालूम होगा, निंजा कार्ट, क्रॉपिन, lot of sectors, startups have come in to aggregate agriculture business. 8,000 years का जो agriculture हमको किया था, हमने अभी 40 years में करना पड़ेगा to feed our global population. So let us learn what is India. Let us learn what is India. Don't you need Koda? So let us learn what is India. So now you understand, don't talk. So what is India now? See, it is, if you see here, we are a 3 trillion economy. So around 1.3 billion population, we are the youngest nations in the world. If you see our age group, 15 to 60 is our age group. We need to struggle to go to a growing economy. So we are the attractive markets now, and we are the only country in the world where we are struggling through agriculture to come into services. So our young generation like you want to become an entrepreneur. I want to pause here. Can anybody chart what is the picture I am showing? Where is it? What is the picture? Wonderful from Dr. Dheeraj Patel. Wonderful. See, what is the mechanisms this Jeff Bezos, the richest man in the world, is doing? The richest man in the world coming to Mumbai to rationalize the retail business. Can anybody guess what is the retail sector? We have such shops, maybe we having more than 6 million or 60 million if I'm not wrong. So such shops are being targeted by Jeff Bezos, the rich man. My Mr. Dr. Dheeraj Patel told exactly that. Bezos coming in and roping in this Kirana Wala for their tie-up of retailing. They know that sitting in Seattle, they know that India is a market. आप लोग ऐसा डिजाइन करना पड़ेगा, आपको आगे जाके बढ़ाना पड़ेगा. So how you can reach out to the world? So that is what is the requirement here in the country now. So you should see that how do you derive your opportunity for the future. So where are we now? If you see Indian animal husbandry sector, we are right now #1 in the world for milk production. Almost like 198.4 million metric tons of production we are doing it. We are #3 in egg production. Almost 25 to 20 crore eggs we are producing. #5 in chicken meat production. 4.5 million metric tons of chicken meat we are producing every year. And this sector is almost like 11 lakh crore. मैं बोलता रहता हूँ ना, एनिमल हस्बेंड्री सेक्टर कितना बड़ा होगा. आप देखिए ना, हमारा मुर्गी सेक्टर आने से, I always take an example of TCS. I don't know how many of you know what is the contribution of TCS by per se. Let's say, I would say turnover of TCS. I want somebody to type here. टॉप लाइन ऑफ टीसीएस कितना होगा, मतलब पूरा टीसीएस में कितना लोग एम्प्लॉयड है, कितना उसका टर्नओवर होगा. व्हाट इज द टर्नओवर ऑफ टाटा कंसल्टेंसी सर्विसेज? प्लीज क्विकली सम नेम. कौन बनेगा करोड़पति जैसा? आप कुछ डालिए अभी. आई जस्ट वांट टू बी मेकिंग इंटरैक्टिव विद यू. एनीबॉडी हु नोस टीसीएस का टर्नओवर? ओके, आगे बढ़ेंगे. TCS turnover is nothing but 1.3 to 1.5 lakh crores, wherein they are employing only 5 lakh people. हम मुर्गी पालन वाले क्या कर रहे हैं? The मुर्गी sector is also contributing equally to the level of TCS. अभी आके जाके आप बताइए आपका brothers and sisters को और father and mother को, हमारा sector is equal to TCS, poultry is equal to TCS. But what are we doing? We are employing almost 6 million people. वो लोग तो केवल 5 लाख लोगों को जॉब दे रहे, हम लोग दे रहे जॉब 6 million. 6 million is what? 60 lakh people. That is the strength of our animal husbandry sector. Now you come to GDP. सर हमारा GDP क्या है? हम इंडिया में क्या कर रहे हैं? How are we doing our GDP? हम कैसे इतना कमा रहे हैं जो 3 ट्रिलियन पर आपने बताया. Where are we getting? If you see here, service sector dominates. सर्विस मीन्स एवरीथिंग. आपका मेक माई ट्रिप से लेके, जोमेटो से लेके, TCS से लेके, इन्फोसिस से लेके, ऑल दैट. देन रॉ इंडस्ट्री, इफ यू सी द इंडस्ट्री 0.8%. एग्रीकल्चर इज 0.44%. व्हाट इज योर अपॉर्चुनिटी? ये देखिए ना, इधर हमारा ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर का ड्रीम है, इसको डबल करना है. इसको डबल करना है तो हमारा रोल ज्यादा बन जाएगा. दैट इज वेयर आई वांट यू टू फोकस हियर. इन्वेस्टमेंट विल हैपन हियर. Your money will come here. Only thing is you should dream big. मैं कैसा एक बिलियनियर बनूंगा, मैं कैसा एक स्टार्टअप बनूंगा, यूनिकॉर्न. मैं कैसा बनूंगा स्विगी जोमेटो जैसा। अभी जोमेटो तो आपको मालूम होगा आईपीओ गया, पब्लिक गया। दैट मींस इट इज द लास्ट स्टेप इन एनी स्टार्टअप। सो नाउ इट्स अ पब्लिक कंपनी। व्हाई कांट यू ड्रीम लाइक दैट इन योर लाइफ? देन आई विल गिव यू अ सिंपल टिप। सर हाउ डू यू एनालाइज एन इकोनॉमी? सर आप तो एमबीए किया है एएम में, आप हमको बताइए कुछ कैसे हम इकोनॉमी को असेस करना है। आप देखिए इधर जनरली इकोनॉमिस्ट सी द सेल ऑफ पार्ले जी बिस्किट एंड सनसिल्क शैम्पू। आपको हैरानी हो जाएगा सर हमने बीवीएससी में पढ़ा था एमबीए और मैनेजमेंट इज वेरी टफ। नो, इट्स वेरी सिंपल। आपको जानकारी होना चाहिए पार्ले जी बिस्किट कैसे बिक रहे, सनसिल्क शैम्पू से कैसे बिक रहे एट दी बॉटम ऑफ द पिरामिड विलेजेस में। दैट इंडिकेट्स द परचेसिंग पावर। वेदर आर वी गिविंग मनी टू the end farmer or end consumer of our country? So that is where you should analyze that. Sir, ज्यादा नहीं बिक रहे तो मालूम है people are not coming and buying. People don't have money. Economy is little compressed. Now, Corona really made money for all these online guys. ये स्लाइड देखिए, पहले भी दिखाया था मैंने। Most ordered food is chicken biryani. Most ordered food. What is the orders? आजकल आप देख रहे होंगे तो पर डे स्विगी अलोन मस्ट बी डूइंग 4 मिलियन ऑर्डर्स। दिस इज द डेटा इन 2019। अभी 21 में देखने से 4 मिलियन ऑर्डर्स पर डे। इसको ऐसा आप लिखना, सोचना what must be the back-end operation preparation he must have done, what must be the ruggedness of the software, what must be the ruggedness of the team which is supporting such an online delivery. मुर्गी में भी दिखाऊंगा मैं online how meat people are doing it, but understand the companies like Zomato, Swiggy's, they are doing 4 million orders per day. And उसमें आप देखिए ना हमारा साउथ का ये डेटा, मसाला तो सभी आपको नॉर्थ में मिलेगा. So that means you should see that how things are moving around us. If you miss this such sort of an information, you are out of business. अब बिजनेस करना है तो आपको डेटा रेडी रखना चाहिए, आपको पढ़ना चाहिए. You should find that where is the information, what is the information. Then let me shift into your food habits. आपको I think Maharashtra guys knows that the jowar roti, all these are the traditional food habits of our Indians, especially South Indians. See why I want to show this slide is jowar roti balanced with your lactobacillus curd rice. All this dal will give you protein. This will give you fiber. This all minerals and everything. So how many of us are eating such food in our home right now? We forgot. We are in a hurry. Now if you see other dish of South India, this is the millet. So again a balanced diet was there in our culture. If you see even North India, so much of energy, so much of calories, so much of protein, but it was balanced. Even though it was a little higher on side, but it was balanced for their requirement. But आजकल हम क्या कर रहे हैं? We have become a carbohydrate capital of the world. Why I am saying this is सुबह चपाती or rice, afternoon chapati or rice, evening chapati or rice. Where is the protein? Protein हम तो भूल गया. पहले हमारा ग्रानी था, वो देता था all that. So अभी आजकल कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. तो आप लोग क्या हो गया? इंसुलिन डिपेंडेंट कंट्री हो गया. वो आप याद कर रखना. You should remember that. Sir, our life has become like a gamble. Our life has become like a gamble. So with this is the famous ad of Amul baby. You'd see that कहो ना प्याज है. That means the commodity rates will go from 20 rupees to 200 rupees. पहले 20 में आ जाएगा, 200 जाएगा. But how do you really tackle with it? अभी आगे बढ़ेंगे. अभी देखिए ना, ये पढ़िए थोड़ा स्लाइड. मैं रुकूंगा इधर, थोड़ा सिप काफी भी लेऊंगा. आप पढ़िए इसको. एक आदमी को 330 grams of carbohydrate required daily, not more than that. It is enough. It is like a fuel. आपको गाड़ी में भरते हैं ना फ्यूल. What is protein? Protein is like your engine oil. Engine oil क्या है? रोज चाहिए उसको. It has to mix in it. पेट्रोल तो आप स्टोर किया, इंजन ऑयल तो गाड़ी में स्टोर करेंगे, बट प्रोटीन आप स्टोर नहीं करेंगे, रोज करना पड़ेगा. तो इसका रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है? ऑलमोस्ट इफ अ बॉडी वेट ऑफ 60 grams, people require 60. Fat 75 grams daily. 1000 grams, it is 2 liters. अभी देखिए ये स्लाइड देखिए. हमारा बॉडी में it's almost like 42 kilos of water. 42 kilos of water. So keep consuming water every now and then, so that at least make sure that 2000 ml, 2 liters of water will be pumped into your body. And if you see here, fat, it's 12 kilos of fat. Protein, again 12 kilos of protein in the body. That means entire mass of the human being. ये देख के आपको क्या करना, अब देखिए क्या हो रहा है. This is the breakfast of our the athlete. You must be remembering, this is the world data of Michael Phelps, who won 7 gold medals in swimming. वो क्या खाता है? अब देखिए ना, वो रोज सुबह 3 fried egg sandwiches, omelette made of 3 to 6 eggs, 1 bowl of maize breakfast cereal, French toast, 3 chocolate pancakes, 2 cups of coffee. So what do you understand by that? His requirement is 12,000 kilocalories. हमको इतना नहीं चाहिए, हमको शायद 1,500 to 2,500 calories a day is enough. But how do you do that? So that is where you need to understand a big requirement is coming up. So now if you see Usain Bolt, the great sprinter. So Usain Bolt, great sprinter, उसका diet देखने में, you see egg sandwich. Egg sandwich is his breakfast. Lunch के लिए भी meat and all other things. If you see the balanced diet. What is this picture I am showing? Now I want a quiz. Quickly, I think there is here, but I don't want to make a quiz. How many of you have seen the idea of this video of this Olympic sprinters? Quickly, how many of you watched what I am showing here? Left one and right one. What is this and what is this? What is this picture? What is this picture? I have put the names there, but I have given a clue also. But I want you to think and tell me. I want you to check how much updated are you with everyday's news. Dinesh ji, jagaiye logon ko. Somebody should type it. What is this picture?
His video was also there on the WhatsApp yesterday.
Silent हो गया लोग.
Yeah.
That means आप लोग ज़्यादा पढ़ रहे हो. ठीक है, don't worry. See, I told you, he is a Usain Bolt, the sprinter who could run in 9.34 seconds. He is a world record holder of sprint. But ये नया आदमी आ गया, Italian champion of 100 meters now in the Olympics of Tokyo. He has run in 9.8 seconds. That means new people are dreaming, new countries are coming. And this I showed, he is an American swimmer. American swimmer won 7 gold medals in swimming. हमने सोचा था माइकल फिलिप का जमाना, he is the only Mount Everest. आगे किसी हमको नहीं मिलेंगे. अभी क्या मिला? अब देखिए ना, Emma McKeown. She is an Australian. She also won 7 gold medals in swimming. I am showing all this. This is what makes you different. You should learn how people are achieving such many goals, how their diets are there, what I can bring into my sector, how I can make a protein ambassador. See, animal husbandry sector can be a protein ambassador. आप लोग veterinarian होते हो, so you should think about food sector. मैं कैसा food sector में मेरा differentiation बनूंगा? So you should become a protein ambassador for your life. ये देखिए, I want to give my kid this diet. The reason is kids may not enjoy your balanced way में देने से वो नहीं सुनेगा. उसको जो चाहिए वो दे सकते हैं. आप देखिए ना, पास्ता दीजिए, मशरूम दीजिए, leaves दीजिए, cheese दीजिए, fruit दीजिए, and omelette. So that may be a very balanced diet for your kids or for your future generation. In the canteen also you can recommend. And nicely, the world over, you have got wonderful, beautiful, balanced greens. सर आप तो केवल प्रोटीन बता रहे हो, केवल मुर्गी बता रहे हो, केवल अंडा बता रहे हो, ऐसा नहीं बोलूंगा. आपको वर्ल्ड में स्पेक्ट्रम भी है. Natural spectrum of colorful vegetables. It's a natural spectrum of colorful vegetables which you can utilize. So now let me move into my sector. अभी देखिए ना, एक इधर कहावत बोल दूंगा. क्या कहावत है? दवा मत खाओ, अंडा खाओ. आपके लिए मिनरल्स, आपको वो जाके बोलिए ना, बुजुर्ग में घर में होगा, they must be eating some vitamin tablets or mineral tablets. उनको बोलो मत खाओ. क्या खाना है? दवा मत खाओ, अंडा खाओ। क्योंकि अभी देखिए ना, यू सी हियर द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इज अ मिनरल कैप्सूल, राइट हैंड साइड इज अ विटामिन कैप्सूल। 2 कैप्सूल देखे होंगे ना दवा। ये अंडा में मुफ्त में मिलेगा आपको, एक्स्ट्रा नहीं चाहिए। आप देखिए ना 143 कैलोरीज भी मिलेगा, 9.5 एंड फैट भी मिलेगा, प्रोटीन 12.56 ग्राम्स फॉर एवरी 100 ग्राम्स ऑफ एग्स। दैट मींस 2 अंडा ले लीजिए और 3 अंडा ले लीजिए। आपको डेली आप 2 अंडा खाना है, इसलिए बोलता हूं ना, हर रोज 2 अंडा, हफ्ते में 3 बार मुर्गी, आपका प्रोटीन मिल गया। हर रोज 2 अंडा, 3 बार मुर्गी हफ्ते में, आपका प्रोटीन मिल गया। जो भी मिनरल कैप्सूल चाहिए, विटामिन कैप्सूल चाहिए, वो भी मिल गया। अभी देखिए ना चिकन में क्या मिलेगा, थोड़ा देखिए। मैं बोल दिया हफ्ते में 3 बार मुर्गी खाओ। कितना खाना है? 100 ग्राम्स में इतना मिलेगा आपको। 100 ग्राम्स में आपको लगभग 20 ग्राम प्रोटीन मिलेगा, मिनरल कैप्सूल मिलेगा, विटामिन कैप्सूल मिलेगा, एनर्जी भी मिलेगा। सुबह जाके दौड़ने के लिए, साइकिलिंग करने के लिए आपको एनर्जी भी चाहिए। केवल प्रोटीन मत बोल रहा हूं मैं, सब बैलेंस में। बॉडी इज मेड ऑफ, आई टोल्ड यू, वाटर, फैट एंड प्रोटीन। उसके लिए आपको कार्बोहाइड्रेट तो एनर्जी चले जाता है एनर्जी के लिए, बट यू नीड टू वर्क ऑन दैट। यू नीड टू वर्क ऑन हाउ यू कैन डू दैट। सर आपने हमको पढ़ाया था कॉलेज में, वो क्या है ये देखिए ना, इंटरनेशनल एग कमीशन में बता दिया 97% इज अब्जॉर्प्शन। नाइट्रोजन अब्जॉर्प्शन जो है, हम क्या बोलते हैं, बायोलॉजिकल वैल्यू ऑफ एग इज हाईएस्ट। सो दैट इज व्हाई वी आर रिकमेंडिंग। यू कैन सी हियर, see I can also correlate the Olympic medals what you are seeing right now with their food habits. China number 1, USA number 2, जापान नंबर 3 आ रहे मेडल्स में। 30 मेडल जीत गया। क्यों जीत गया? एक कंजम्पशन उसका उतना है। They have crossed per day 3, per day 4 तक चले गया। So हम इंडिया किधर है? We are just in about reaching around 70 to 80 पर कैपिटा कंजम्पशन। बट बेंगलुरु में बदलाव है। बेंगलुरु में जो सिटी में रह रहा हूं ना, आप उसका देखिए ना, बेंगलुरु में क्या हो रहा है। बेंगलुरु डेली कंजम्पशन इज 80 लाख एग्स वर्सेस 1.2 करोड़ पॉपुलेशन इज बेंगलुरु। बेंगलुरु इज 1.2 करोड़ पॉपुलेशन में 80 लाख अंडा चाहिए। कितना प्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं हम लोग? 15 लाख प्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं। आजू बाजू बेंगलुरु में 15 लाख। बेंगलुरु को आता है दूसरा जगह से, like you get from Davangere, you get from Hospet, you get from Ballari, you get from Namakkal, you get from Hyderabad. सारा कंजम्पशन सेंटर पर आता है। So that's why ऐसे हमारा per capita consumption कितना होगा? 270 eggs per person per year. That's why I call it as Bangalore is USA in India. मतलब USA का per capita consumption 270 है, बैंगलोर का per capita consumption 270 है। बैंगलोर का लोग बहुत अंडा पसंद कर रहे हैं। यही मैं बोलना चाहता हूं। इधर आके आप बिजनेस करना, इधर आके अंडा का बिजनेस करना। I'll show you how things have gone ahead in the country. So this is a background setting I did for you, that understanding our nutrition requirement, understanding how things are unraveling in India, how things are going to be an opportunity for you to, we are becoming a $5 trillion economy. You are the youth of the nation. आगे जाके 10 साल के बाद मैं और दिनेश आपका सुनना चाहते हैं। 10 साल के बाद जो भी आप 50 लोग सुन रहे हैं, आप हमको बताना, सर दिस इज व्हाट वी कुड अचीव इन द एरा ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटी। बट प्लीज रिमेंबर दैट फर्स्ट स्लाइड, navigating the uncertainty. You should be a smart traveler. You will never get a predetermined path, but anchor करो जो reach करना है, anchor करके उसको reach करो. So now you see we dominate here. 36% is मुर्गी का meat में what do you call contribution. 36% is the meat sector in Indian meat, followed by buffalo meat. I don't know how many of you know, we export 4 billion worth of buffalo meat. 4 billion is something like 28,000 crores of buffalo meat we are exporting in India. And if you see here, I'll just skip this, just come to this slide. Every day in India, we are producing 1.1 crore broilers. लिख लो आप, अब इसका recording भी मिलेगा, आप ले लो. So that is your opportunity. And it is growing at 10%. 10% we are growing. And every day, how many eggs we are producing? Around 25 crore eggs we are producing. 24 eggs we are producing. Where we are producing? Most of it is in South India. अंडा का कैपिटल देखना है तो आप नमक्कल जाना है। नमक्कल में आजकल 4 करोड़ अंडा एक डिस्ट्रिक्ट में आता है। एक डिस्ट्रिक्ट में, डिस्ट्रिक्ट मींस 25-30 किलोमीटर रेडियस होगा, उसमें आपको 4 करोड़ अंडा आपको प्रोडक्शन मिल रहा है। सो दैट इज द ब्यूटी ऑफ आवर सेक्टर वेयर पीपल हैव शोन ट्रांसफॉर्मेशनल चेंजेस। सारा आंध्रा तेलंगाना मिला के 8 करोड़ तक आएगा। दूसरा हमारा कर्नाटका, महाराष्ट्र एंड पंजाब अराउंड 1.5 करोड़ एग्स पर डे। ब्रॉयलर तो ऑलमोस्ट डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड है, 65% तक ब्रॉयलर साउथ इंडिया इंक्लूडिंग महाराष्ट्र आता है। ऊपर वाला आई थिंक नाउ वी आर गेटिंग इनटू रायपुर, छत्तीसगढ़, वेस्ट बंगाल, पंजाब एरिया ब्रॉयलर प्रोडक्शन आ रहा है। दिस इज द ग्रोथ, ईयर ऑन ईयर ग्रोथ आपका ऐसा बढ़ रहा है। 10% ग्रोथ इन ब्रॉयलर सेक्टर, 4 to 6% ग्रोथ इन लेयर सेक्टर। अभी अपॉर्चुनिटी दिखाऊंगा, क्या अपॉर्चुनिटी है। 95% इज लाइव मार्केट। हम लोग जाके जैसे क्लॉथ खरीदते हैं ना, टच करके ही खरीदते हैं। दुनिया में किसी को मालूम नहीं व्हाई यू आर टचिंग द क्लॉथ। व्हेन यू आर टेस्टिंग, व्हेन यू गो टू शॉपिंग, यू गो एंड टच विद द फिंगर्स। व्हाट यू अंडरस्टैंड, मे बी इट इज पॉलिस्टर और कॉटन, उतना बोल सकते हैं, बस उसका आगे नहीं है। बट सिमिलर वे व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इन पोल्ट्री इज पीपल वांट टू सी द बर्ड इन फ्रंट ऑफ देम बिफोर बीइंग कट, बट वो बदल रहे हैं। इसमें क्या अपॉर्चुनिटी है, you can have a better shop. I'll show you how a better live shop can be made. But what is the opportunity? Processing. I'll show you the stories of how people have gone into a bigger market and ready to eat products. So this is your opportunity. जो भी 50 लोग watch कर रहे हैं, ये भी आपका opportunity है, ये भी आपका opportunity है। कैसे करना हम आगे बढ़ाएंगे। अभी देखिए ना, 97% we are okay to travel eggs in a cycle. Still I remember my childhood. मम्मी जी बोल रहे थे अंडा लेके आओ, साइकिल में जाके अंडा लेके आते थे। 8 अंडा में 2 अंडा फोड़ गए, इट वुड हैव ब्रोकन, बट उसको क्या करते थे हम लोग, ऑमलेट बनाते। वी वर नेवर हेजिटेटेड दैट अंडा ना ब्रोकन हो गया। बट आजकल दुनिया चेंज हो रहा है। इसको भी आप जानने से, इसको भी पेपर रैप मिल रहा है। If you go to any supermarkets, you find this being wrapped up, and you find eggs being cartoned, you find egg being done liquid. So this is your opportunity. आप देखना इसमें कैसे कर रहे हैं। You can go about it, finding an opportunity where increase from 2% to 4%, 1% to 4%. This is your opportunity. And अभी बढ़िया क्वेश्चन आ गया। अभी देखिए सर, ये 40 ग्राम वाला चिक 2 किलो वजन आएगा केवल 32 डेज में। सर आप लोग कुछ कर रहे हो, आप लोग कुछ इंजेक्शन डाल रहे हो, आप लोग कुछ हार्मोन डाल रहे हो, कुछ स्टेरॉइड दे रहे हो। So how do you address them? If you get a question like that, how do you address them? I have a simple analogy here. Take example of cricket. Because you have to address media, you have to address your friends, you have to address your colleagues. This question. Take an example of cricket. Tell them, पहले सुनील गावस्कर टेस्ट मैच में 5 दिन में एक भी 6 नहीं देता था। टेस्ट मैच वर प्लेड फॉर 5 days. देन आया हमारा मैच आया 50-50 वन डे मैच, उसमें एटलीस्ट फर्स्ट सेशन में 5-6, सेकंड में 5-6 मिलना शुरू हुआ। बट अभी क्या हो रहा है, व्हाट इज हैपनिंग राइट नाउ, वी आर प्लेइंग 2020। विराट कोहली, ऑल दैट यंग गाइज यू हैव सीन हिटिंग 6 balls 6 sixes। आप उसको पूछना है, आप इंजेक्शन दे रहे हो विराट कोहली को, स्टेरॉइड दे रहे हो विराट कोहली को, हार्मोन डाल रहे हो विराट कोहली को, कैसे उन्होंने 6 balls में 6 मार दिया। So that should be analogy for you. Similarly, what is the fact? This is a genetic selection. For reaching 2 kilo in 50, that means 50 times it is growing in 32 days. It's a research of 40 years. Every year, जैसे हमने गावस्कर से जाके विराट कोहली को select किया, so selection pressure, we go on improving our performances of our birds. That is how we select them in for a better productivity. ये देखिए ना, ब्रॉयलर फार्म इज, आई वुड से, प्लग एंड प्ले मॉडल। आप लिख लीजिए, देखिए गौर से देखिए। फर्स्ट सिंगल वर्ड इज नो कंस्ट्रक्शन। हमने शॉकर कर दिया, नो कंस्ट्रक्शन। आई वांट पीपल टू चैट हियर। व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय नो कंस्ट्रक्शन? एनीथिंग, एनीबॉडी, एनी आइडिया? What I am saying is no construction. That means not a single bag of cement is used. I'm giving further shock. ये कैसे हो सकता है सर? ये कैसे हो सकता है सर? आपको मालूम होना चाहिए ये we have done with something is happening. ए मणि बापा ने इन्होंने So what is happening is, if you see here, stones are being used. This is the stone, this is the iron and asbestos sheet. नीचे आपको मिलेगा खड़पा slabs. So that means it's a plug and play model. You can shift from one place to another place after 5 years. Please recommend your entrepreneurs that broiler farms can be done like this. Sir, हमारा एरिया में stones नहीं मिल रहे, हम क्या करेंगे? Stones नहीं मिल रहे तो GA pipe use करिए. Stones नहीं मिल रहे तो you can use borewell pipes. But this is the beauty of a broiler farm, where you can have a wonderful view of 15,000 birds in one shed or 10,000 birds. ऐसा 5 करिए, 50,000 birds हो गया आपका. So what is the problem of broiler sector? If you see here, broiler sector, you are having one simple issue: variation in demand. Variation in demand. अभी देखिए ना, ये black which I am showing in the 52 weeks. These are the period of months where we don't make money because of festivals like Kartika, Navratri, Potasi, Ganesha, Shravan. अभी आके श्रावण आ रहे हैं. श्रावण में कोई खाने वाला नहीं है. But how do you plan it? This still stands as the data of 2016. Similarly, if you see here, 350 million is our production of what you call layers. This is a slender lady. Body weight should be only 1.3 weeks. It's 1.3 kilos. It should produce around 320 eggs. ऐसा कितना farms है? 3 million तक capacity का farm हो गया. 500,000. I don't know. When I go to Andhra, sir, they will tell, sir, chinna farm, sir. In the sense, in English, so I have a small farm, sir. What you will assume, he will be having around 200, 250, 1,000, 10,000. But he will say, I'm a small farmer with 5 lakh birds. 5 lakh, 10 lakh, 20 lakhs are common in Andhra. Andhra means Telangana and Andhra including. So that is the understanding you should have when you see a layer farm. This is a typical layer project, because I don't have time to go to economics of all those. I'm just showing you how is our sector doing it. The breeder sector, it's again another great area where you see around 4 crore breeders are there in India. We now call them couples. These couples produce 180 hatching eggs, which you want to have 145 chicks as a saleable chicks. So that is an era now. So this is the artificial insemination. You would have seen artificial insemination being done in cattle in many ways. But if you see here, you'll be surprised. रोज कितना artificial insemination हो रहे होंगे? Let me go for a chart. So anybody, how many artificial inseminations per day in India in poultry? Quickly, are you all with me? At least type yes. So I want to see that, how many are around 10 lakh. Doctor, now everybody is typing yes. Yeah, wonderful, wonderful. I love it. So now you understand there are 4 crore breeders. Now come back. What is an artificial insemination plan? Tomorrow you are made in charge of a breeding farm. You have to artificially inseminate how many? So you think about that. Suppose I have a 30,000 birds. What is a funda? Funda is 72 hours. We don't have a time now. That's why I'm putting an explanation very short. 72 hours means today if you inseminate a bird A, you have to re-inseminate after 3 days, because spermatozoa are viable for 3 days. So that means if my flock, if I'm inseminating on Monday, I have to re-inseminate on Thursday. If I'm inseminating on Tuesday, I have to do it on Friday. Wednesday wala, Saturday. Sunday is a no insemination day all over the world if you are practicing artificial insemination. Then what is the basic here? The basic is I have to divide my flock into A, B, C. If I divide my flock into A, B, C, I have to do 10,000 inseminations per day in a flock of 30,000. In a flock of 30,000, if I have to do 10,000 insemination, how many people we require? Somebody wrote 10 lakhs. But in India, to cut short my discussion on this, every day 1 crore. That means 3 crore breeders mein 1 करोड़ ब्रीडर को इंसेमिनेशन करना ही पड़ेगा। आपको कैटल में आर्टिफिशियल इंसेमिनेशन तो नंबर मिलेगा थाउजेंड्स में, मुर्गी में इंसेमिनेशन हो रहा है डेली 1 करोड़। दैट इज द स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ आर्टिफिशियल इंसेमिनेशन इन पोल्ट्री। What happened? Are you with me?
हाँ, आ गए वापस आ गए
ना। एक मिनट, आप स्लाइड उधर तक जाएंगे। और टेक्निकल ग्लिचेस आता रहता है स्मॉल में।
But still, your connection is very good today. Yesterday we had problem.
Yeah. So if you see here, wonderful. Thank you, Dinesh. This is the artificial insemination. This is a slat system of broilers. Slat system of broilers में आप देखिए ना, how you can have a neatly arranged slat system means नीचे गिरता है. So जो है वो नीचे गिरता है. It is a deep litter but a raised platform. And this is the future for you. I want all of you to dream such one project. सारे आप यूरोप का पिक्चर दिखा रहे हो, नहीं, ये इंडियन ब्रॉयलर का पिक्चर है. एक शेड में आप 1 लाख ब्रॉयलर्स रख सकते हो. You can keep 1 lakh broilers here, 1 lakh here. That means 5 lakh broilers in 5 sheds, touch free, farm to fork, कोई टच करने का जरूरत नहीं है. आप ऐसा ड्रीम करो. कैसा बढ़ाएंगे? And then even bag free. ये बैग में नहीं आएगा, साइलो में आएगा फीड. साइलो में आके ये साइलो को गिरेगा, अंदर ऑटोमेटिकली चिक्स will go till it becomes tandoori chicken. You'll not touch it. How do you go to the videos and understand touch free chickens are being produced? This is an automated layer farm. देखिए ना, इधर फीड मिल रहे हैं, साइलोस है, all activity है. These are the labor quarters. Wonderfully, you can sit in Bangalore and operate a project of Pune by your software systems. And please note here, there is one farm in Mysore. Make a note, Mega Poultry Farm, MEGHA, Mega Farms. Go and watch the YouTube. Great entrepreneur, a mechanical engineer, one shed, 50,000 birds, one labor, and he is producing almost 40,000 eggs a day or 45,000 eggs a day, putting it to the market. आप ऐसा ड्रीम करिए. This is like an engineering college. Do you know pullets are available in the market? He will not do brooding. He will not do till 16 weeks of growth. All vaccinations are done. जैसे आप लोग तैयार होके PUC होके veterinary join होते हो. These are like veterinary colleges. So these birds are ready to produce. ऐसा वाला लेके आना. आप जाके हमारा अतुल लाटकर से पूछिए. How Dr. Atul Latkar supplies, almost 7 lakh of pullets which are ready to produce. Don't worry about setting up a bigger project. Select a district where sitting on one farm like this. How much of investment? 500 rupees per bird. 500 rupees per bird in the sense 5,000 kilo, 2.5 crore. 2.5 crore investment if you do, you can become a master immediately. And do you know what is the setup time for such a project? Just 90 days. Germany से आदमी आता है, nuts and bolt system ready करता है, construction and handover is 90 days. From 90 days, you are the boss of the such farms. Such farms are coming up many in India. Do watch the YouTube of Mega Farms. You will understand better there. This is another company called Lifeline Group. I call him as a Mr. Perfectionist, Mr. Kishore Hegde. Go and watch their YouTubes. Go and watch their websites. How he has revolutionized sitting away from Bangalore, 225 kilometers, a place called Chikkamangaluru, and he has revolutionized the whole dynamics of deep litter farming, supplying a great quality product in their own retail outlets. That is what revolution is. So what is your idea? You see here, I'm proud of this Mr. Garware. So he has done a company called Gartech in your Pune, and he is a multinational company. Greenfield project leta hai. So 40-50 countries mein straight away he will establish a projects of worth. So please remember, such things are happening. You should know in that. And ये picture आपका टेबल पे रखिए. कोई पूछता है ना मुर्गी पालन कैसे होता है, ये पिक्चर दिखाइए. So this is the breeding farm of the picture of every breeding farm. Such neat, clean. ये हम कोविड आके हाथ वॉश करना, फेस मास्क डालना, टोपी डालना सीखा. बट आप दिनेश से पूछिए और कोई पोल्ट्री वाला से पूछिए, जब भी आपको कोई भी ब्रीडिंग फार्म विजिट करना, you have to have a shower. You have to have a shower and change over. Otherwise, you are not allowed. Biosecurity is a master in poultry. जो भी आप सैनिटाइजेशन बात कर रहे हो कोविड का जमाने में, this was mastered 3 decades back in poultry because we have to protect from viruses. And if you want to visit a GP flock, you ask Dinesh and other colleagues, you have to take bath 8 times. I visited for an inspection for aviation in Coimbatore. To approve their compartmentalization, 8 बार नहाना पड़ता है. एक शेड में एंटर होने से पहले you take a shower and your clothes are not allowed. You have to take out everything, go with their gown. So that is the beauty of biosecurity. And further, I would give you this idea also. Your stool samples has to be sent to London. से मेरा जो stool sample था वो लंदन भेजा था to that time to test some germ free करने के लिए. So I should prove myself germ free to go for even inspection of a GP farm. Please understand the level of biosecurity in poultry is so high. See the cleanliness of the farms what we have. And आप लोग मालूम है किचन कितना होगा, किचन कितना छोटा होता है हमारा, और होटल का किचन भी छोटा होता है, बट ये किचन ऑफ मुर्गी पालन देखिए ना. This is the biggest project of Sneha Group. They'll put something like 200 crores, 300 crores to establish such wonderful facilities. Can anybody imagine? This is the Kana chicken eats. Then we are eating such a balanced diet of, when you eat chicken, you are rest assured that all minerals and amino acids are balanced. This is the silo for maize. These are the silos for soya and other ingredients. Totally atomized. And this is my friend's project, Sriya Poultry Farm. You write down Sriya, S-R-I-Y-A. Sriya Poultry Farm is my batchmate, passed out BVSC today, worth of 300 crores. 300 crores. कोई सोचना है तो सोचिए. Dust free फीड मिल, डस्ट फ्री फीड मिल. जिधर भी जाके आप बैठिए, जिधर भी जाके फीड मिल का अंदर बैठिए, आपका जीन्स, आपका पैंट खराब नहीं होगा. Why dust free? You want to save minerals, you want to save everything. That is the technology now. There are companies like Andritz, Bueller, huge facilities. This is my batchmate. These are my foreign friends when we took to the visit of them. See inside the picture. Inside it looks like almost like a cash and carry metro का जैसा आपको दिखता है. So these are the different feed mill pictures for you. I just skip it. And you see the biggest silo in India is again Sneha Group. इसका देखिए ना 15,000 metric ton storage capacity. 15,000 metric ton means 1,500 lorry loads. जो भी पहले सोचा था इतना बड़ा होंगे, I don't think that. So such big facilities are available in India. When I spoke the same presentation in Europe, they were all astonished. Mahesh, are you showing something else? No, I am showing facts. I addressed in VIV for 140 nations conference. So there they were astonished to see such facilities are happening in India. Sure, we veterinarians, when we pass out, we will not know this. When we pass out on undergraduation, I watched, including me, I was not thinking that poultry field is so big. This is the future. Broilers in cages. You can have breeders in cages, totally automized. So now I'll move on to the small segment of rural poultry before I show you where is the money. Sir, आपने ज़्यादा बोल दिया, अभी money का दिखाना है. अभी देखिए ना rural poultry. I want to give you a simple idea. If you have just 2,000 rupees, you can create like this. Please convey this picture to everyone. You can take a picture in your mobile quickly so that I want it to pass down immediately now. Take a picture in mobile. You see here, I require a bamboo. I require something like hollow bricks. I require one sheet. 2,000 रुपए में ready. 50 birds रखना शुरू हो गया. 50 birds laying bird रखने से क्या होगा? कल से आपको 40 अंडा मिलेगा. जाके एक ट्राइबल फैमिली को दीजिए. जाके आपका घर में जो मेड आता है उनको बोलिए. बैकयार्ड में किधर जगह रखता है उनको. We want a structure. Demo projects for own office. तो इसके लिए 10,000 कर 50 what are products? Carefully, very popular product called Seal, which can attain 120 days. इसका principle बोल दूंगा. If you are very sincere and become an entrepreneur. Kaveri, again, Kaveri is another bird where we are, propagating for egg production. This is very popular even in Maharashtra, India. You हमने सप्लाई नहीं किया तो कॉपी करता को कॉपी बिस्लरी ये बॉटल को मेरी बोल देगा. So like that, Kaveri is being copied into many areas. And we have another unit called duck and turkeys, which are also becoming popular. Now I'll come very quickly how to take money and how people have inspired you in startups. If you see here, first thing you should know is murgi palan ho, dairy ho, anything, please remember these 5 points. You should take an agricultural loan application form, assets and liabilities, project report, not the one we learn in college. Project report should have minimum 30 pages. Minimum 30 pages with all balance sheet, pura profit and loss account and all that. That can be only done with the software, or unless you know some issues are that. Letter of intent from the company and then covering letter. ये पांचों डाल के आप जाके you should meet the bank manager so that you would explain that this is the investment I require, this is the margin money I give. So now the new funding which has come is Animal Husbandry Infrastructure Development Fund. इसके लिए क्या है? It's very very good for your young youth. You can try for meat processing or value addition, animal feed plant, such new things you can do it. They are giving 3% interest subvention. 3% interest subvention for what? Almost like it works out to be 25% benefit. Suppose 12% interest है, आपने 1 crore मांग रहे हैं, 1 crore में आपको 12 लाख इंटरेस्ट होता था, अभी 3% इंटरेस्ट सबवेंशन मिलने से आपको 9 लाख की इंटरेस्ट पे करना पड़ेगा. That means you are earning 25% here. So that is the beauty of the new project. Loan up to 90% they guarantee. They will give you interest subvention of 3%. ये आपको अभी जरूरत नहीं पड़ेंगे, but you can tell many people that such facilities are available. What is the beauty of it? Beauty is everything is online. That is the beauty of the new government, where we are going for a transparency. No intervention of any banker. Go to this Udyami Mitra portal. You can apply everything online. You will receive sanction online. You will receive money online. You need not approach any banker. They'll do the due analysis and you will get a wonderful facility for that. So now, another 15 minutes, I'm now coming into the main part of it. How to dream to be an entrepreneur. Who are the trendsetters? Now अभी आपको चार्ट में कौन बनेगा करोड़पति शुरू करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि you have to answer me the next question what I am asking. Can anybody answer what is the country I am showing? What is that I am talking? What is 1, 2, 3 and what is the country I am showing? I am focusing here. I am focusing here. Quickly, I want an answer. What is it? It is connected to Olympics. I am giving you a clue there. How it is connected to Olympics, and I am telling you another idea. 1, 2, 3. Cuba is not the right answer. Jamaica, Sri Krishna Bade. Wonderful. What is this 1, 2, 3? Srikant Bade. Please type further. Now, what is this 1, 2, 3? Srikant Bade. Srikant Bade has given a right answer. I am focusing on this country called Jamaica. What is this 1, 2, 3? Quickly. We are running out of time. I'll move next. Then, I'll move to the next slide so that you will understand. This is 1, 2, 3. Now I hope you can everybody chat. What is this I am showing? See, Jamaica is an unassuming country. If you see, I'll go back to we are like, we are from different colleges. We are unassuming. We don't know where we are. Nobody notices us. But once you see, this is a country, even it is not visible in a world map. It's Jamaica. Jamaica, they are ruling the world now in a 100-meter race. गोल्ड मेडल, सिल्वर मेडल, ब्रॉन्ज मेडल, तीनों एक ही कंट्री को. कैसे अब कभी अब सोच सकता था ऐसा हो सकता है? तो द न्यू एरा. आप लोग सोचना है, आप भी 1, 2, 3 बनना है. कोई एरिया में आप सोचेंगे. नाउ फर्स्ट स्टोरी. अगेन कौन बनेगा करोड़पति? आई वांट टू टेस्ट यू. प्लीज राइट हु आर दीज टू पीपल. 2015 में this gentleman is insurance advisor, left वाला, right वाला is a chartered accountant. किधर पहुंच गया अभी? क्या है? Which is the company I'm hinting? Wonderful, wonderful. Dheeraj Patel, Shubham Tatod, Satyam Sharma, good. So people are watching. So these are the 2 guys who are not veterinarians, who are not an agriculture graduate. He is my good friend from Jammu Kashmir, Pandit. Even he's not a non-veg eater, but now he will eat. He is Mr. Abhay Anjura and Vivek. Both are good friends of mine. They entered into this dunya and today they are going to become a unicorn. Unicorn is what? Valuated at 7,500 crores. 7,500 crores. They are hiring people from top class. So Licious is the company. The next one, Chatbox. What I am showing is the game engineer. He's a game engineer. Never dreamt of Zynga. Zynga was a game company. He was a game engineer from Kerala. Went to US. Relocated back to India. What is he? What is his company? Quickly, Satyam, Dheeraj, anybody can answer. Quickly. Who is he? Due to paucity of the time, I will move ahead. He is the man who is the founder of Fresh to Home. Again, going to become a unicorn. So now they are valued at almost 6,000 crores. Now, how many of you want to dream this car? Porsche Cayman. Any idea how much Porsche Cayman cost? Quickly type it. कितना लोग आपको जेम्स बॉन्ड मूवी में देखा होंगे? एक picture of car with such a beautiful open top. So this is the car held by a poultry entrepreneur. So now सब लोग पोल्ट्री में आ जाएंगे. सर आपने कार दिखा दिया, 3 करोड़ का कार भी रख सकते हैं मुर्गी पालन करने से. This is the next generation, Mr. Naren. He is a software engineer of Komarla Group. Nanda Kumar is the founder father of, I would say, among the founder father group of the poultry. उसका next generation software engineer था सियाटल में. ये सियाटल से बाहर आके अभी मुर्गी पालन कर रहे हैं. मुर्गी पालन करके अभी उनका कंपनी का नाम है नंदूस. So that is what he is again, investing around 500 to 1,000 crores for that. Next one. Any clue? I think somebody need to mute it. आप mute करिए. Chatbox में, which is the company I am referring. They were again Digitech engineers. Digitech engineers, ex-MobiKwik. Where are they now? This is the company based out of Delhi. Write down Zapfresh. Zapfresh now invested with almost 200 crore. So they are not veterinarians. They are not agriculture graduates. मैं क्यों बता रहा हूँ? आप लोग नहीं करने से ये लोग करने वाला है. अभी देखिए. Now you see this gentleman, Uttam Gowda. Young startup. Last 2 years में शुरू किया. He is an engineer and an MBA based out of Bangalore. What is his company? Captain Fresh. He is doing B2B business. Already crossed 300 crores. What is this business graduate, Mr. Nishant Chandran? What is he doing? He is in Chennai. He has already done an investment of 200 crores from private funding. ये सब लोगों के पास 1 रुपए भी नहीं था. वो देखिए, मैंने शुरुआत से दिखाया आपको. You from Mr. Abhay Anjura to Vivek, nobody had money. They raised funding. There is a concept called venture capital funding. There is a concept called VC funding. So you can take money. If you are smart, you prepare a business plan, pitch it, go for a Series A funding or a seed funding, Series A, Series B, Series C, Series D. ABCD क्या है सर? Increasing your pie. शुरुआत में 100 में इन लोग ने लिया था 8 crore. You know who was the funding father for these people? Mohandas Pai, Infosys का मोहनदास पाई उनको दिया था केवल 8 करोड़. अभी किधर है वो लोग? वैल्यूएटेड 7,500 करोड़. आगे जाके सीरीज में फंडिंग लिया. They go on taking a big investments from all the companies across the world. Investors मिलेगा आपको venture capitals. Same with Fresh to Home. Same with Nandus. Same with Zapfresh. Same with Captain Fresh. Zapfresh, Captain Fresh. ये tender cuts. Okay. This fellow is a new addition. Just 1 year back. He is an IIT Kanpur guy. Any guess? Anybody want to give me an idea that which is the company I am talking about? It is in North India. It is in Gurgaon. Quickly. It is Egos. EGGOZ. EGGOZ. I'm giving you the list later. This IIT guys, 3 guys, started a poultry company called Egos, and they are selling now 4 million eggs in Gurgaon. गुरुग्राम में 4 मिलियन एग अंडा बेच रहे हैं। आप सोचे होंगे सर इतना स्मार्ट लड़का, IIT का लड़का क्यों आया? I can show you hundreds of IIT guys coming into poultry sector, software guys coming into poultry sector. जागो, आप लोग जागो, वेटरनरीज हो आप लोग, आप भी कर सकते हैं ऐसा। Need not be an IIT guy to come and teach you. This is another last slide I want to show. Self-learned. ये आदमी देखिए ना, you know, you can see from the picture. Actually, he is my good friend Ashok Khannan, and इसका partner है Manjunath. He was a textile engineer. Now they have won the award called Most Promising Entrepreneur Award. किधर? मुर्गी पालन में. किसका? Economic Times का. What is the company? Happy Hen Farms. एक अंडा $50 में बेच रहे हैं. एक अंडा $50 में बेच रहे हैं. ऐसा आदमी मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर है. That means his willpower is so strong. हम लोग क्यों नहीं करेंगे? आप सोचिए. The last one I want to show is, ये देखिए, ये लास्ट मंथ का न्यूज है. ये सब रूरल फोक है. ये लोग कभी सोचा था ऐसा हम डायमंड सब्सक्राइबर हो जाएंगे यूट्यूब में? What do you mean by diamond subscriber? 10 million subscribers, 1 crore. 1 crore YouTube followers for this channel called Village Cooking Channel. राजीव गांधी ने भी इसका, सॉरी राहुल गांधी ने भी इसके साथ जाके फोटो खिंचवाया था, खाना बनवाया था. आप देखिए इसका अर्निंग कितना होंगे. Yesterday they went to Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, contributed 10 lakh for COVID control. Can anybody dream that? In a village, they are not at all any education. They only know how to cook a better food, how to present a better food. So now they are crorepati's with a crorepati subscription. Diamond Tube YouTube. So you go and search in Google. Diamond YouTube subscribers are very few in the country. One among them is this rural folk. So this is the list I showed you. First is Licious in Bangalore, Fresh to Home Bangalore, Nandu's Bangalore, Zap Fresh Bangalore, Captain Fresh Bangalore. सब लोग टिकट बुक करिए Bangalore, because Bangalore पे सब कुछ हो रहा है. So Tendercut Chennai, Ecos Gurugram, Happy Ends Erode, and then Pudukkottai Tamil Nadu. So this is the trend. They are able to catch the figure in focus in Economic Times. See the shops. And this is the interesting factor for you all to know. Licious has come to the main page of Economic Times. कोई सोचा था 10 साल पहले that मुर्गी का company or मुर्गी related company will come to the first page telling about raising 200 million. 200 million is what? 100 million is 140 crores. Sorry, 70 crores. 200 million is 140 crores. पैसा अभी. And they are in brand shows. ये आपको सब लोग को मालूम होगा. Shireen Ban is a top anchor in CNBC TV18. She interviews Abhay Anjura. ये फोटो देखिए, पहले का अभय अंजुरा फोटो देखिए. एंड मुस्ताफा आईडी फूड्स का एपिगेमिक है राहुल जैन. उसका साथ हमारा मुर्गी पालन लोग बैठ रहे हैं, मुर्गी इंडस्ट्री का लोग बैठ रहे हैं. दैट इज द स्पिरिट यू शुड कैरी. एंड यू सी द एडवर्टाइजमेंट दे आर गिविंग यू. फुल पेज एड. फुल पेज के लिए 15 लाख चाहिए. वन न्यूज़पेपर में फुल पेज देखने के लिए 15 लाख चाहिए. दे आर बर्निंग मनी टू गेट द स्मोक सो दैट people will notice and people will go there. The consumer market is increasing. See the shops. See the clean shops for you. This is what I want you to. This is Lifeline का ग्रुप का है. ये देखिए ना चैलेंज हमारा प्रकाश शेट्टी करके कोस्टल चिकन का मंगलूर में सूरतकल में आपको मालूम होगा NIT के सूरतकल. He has established a shop adjacent to the jewelry shop. कोई सोच सकता है मुर्गी शॉप adjacent to the jewelry shop. That should be the spirit. ये 1 crore इन्वेस्ट किया. Smell free, dust free, clean. It is like a McDonald's shop. Because the ladies coming into the jewelry shop will not venture into the chicken shop or anybody in this complex unless you maintain such a hygiene. So that is a challenge one has to take. These are protein stores for you. And this is a young guy. Sir, आपने बड़ा दिखा दिया, छोटा दिखाइए. अभी देखिए ना छोटा वाला दुकान, उसका नाम लग दिया चिकन फैक्ट्री. वो क्या कर दिया? अंदर स्टील एनवायरमेंट. And he has introduced a club card. Can you imagine a shop like this introducing a club card? For what? Points. That means he is using a point of sale machine. He is using a data. If you worship, you will get benefits out of that. That is a spirit in small ventures also. And our own VIP, we are doing a lot of promotions on Ekjitan, in Chandigarh, in Pune. So we are promoting veterinarians in poultry. We are promoting. I want you to have future technology with you. BVSC students, I request Dinesh should do something to give veterinarians this VR tool, so that farm visit to आजकल कोई allow नहीं करेगा. आप ऐसा पहनिए, so that you feel like entering into a broiler farm, you feel like touching the layer farm birds. VR tool, very, very, very cheap. I request Dinesh to coordinate with all the private companies under his command to get one tool into each college at least. They will see the recordings of broiler farm, layer farm, breeder farm, processing plant. Because visit करना मुश्किल है, but ये tool आपको pet schools में आना चाहिए. ये देखिए ना, एक factory करके एक ने MBA वाला ने किया है with investment of 75 lakhs. Do you know how much he earns for one egg? 75 rupees. Because the omelette is 250 rupees. All Mexican, Italian cuisine, all Latin American cuisine will come here. See, this is another fellow, पक्षीपल. पक्षीपल आपको मालूम है ना, उत्तर प्रदेश का ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर भी बताया था कि पक्षीपल का ब्रांडिंग करके सेल्स कर रहे हैं hen fruit. He is also selling 7 lakh eggs per month. Now I want to give you a punch. सर ये क्या सर बियर दिखा रहे हो? आप पंचलाइन पढ़िए नीचे. जर्मन क्वालिटी मेड इन इंडिया. कभी आपने उल्टा देखा होगा सर, हम जर्मन कार देखा है सर, बट जर्मन क्वालिटी मेड इन इंडिया कौन किया है? There is a company called Arthur Food Company in Bangalore. They are producing the meat required for Germany. That means आप लोग नहीं करने से वो लोग आके इधर ही बैठ. He is a German. He based in Bangalore, doing the product for Germany. So now I will end with the concerns. You see here, our meat, our eggs are very clear, from pesticide free, hormone free, everything from FSSI. And we are extremely water stressed. I showed you in the beginning, climate is my favorite subject. अभी देखिए ना, पानी नहीं मिल रहा है पूरा इंडिया में. We are stressed with water. Whenever you plan your poultry project, please plan water harvesting, rain harvesting. Don't throw plastic. देखिए ना, daily how much plastic we are producing? 9,000 Asian elephants, 86 Boeing jets. Almost, you cannot do away with it. Please resist that. Start using such reusable bags. पहले हमारा घर में देखा था ना, गिफ्ट बनता था बैग, जीन्स बनता था बैग, माँ का साड़ी बनता था बैग. Why can't it now? Please change it. ये देखिए ना, ये मेरा ही फ्लैट का है, ये आपका गिफ्ट बॉक्स. So if it is without green, how it looks? With green, how it looks? Now you get seeds in like a लड्डू जैसा मिलेगा. गिफ्ट करिए, गिफ्ट करके देखिए. मैं हमारा CPDO में 5,000 ट्रीज रखा हूँ. I'm maintaining almost 2 kilometers trash free zone. 7 kilometers of 1,000 trees we have planted, public road. Please do that. Now I am giving you the strongest energy for you. Subha. Kya strongest energy? 99-year-old Kerala man who has trekked 29 times Everest, preparing for the 30th trek. Imagine his zeal. Imagine his energy. Imagine his passion. ये 99 years में कर रहे हैं, तो हम लोग अभी young है. You all must be 25, 26. Why can't you dream a very big dream in your life? So this I'll skip it very fastly. This is my refrigerator. I would recommend your refrigerator should look like this. Fruits, eggs, and your masalas. So I would invite all of you to our institute. Please visit. This is my big campus, almost 150-acre campus, biggest in India. This is our duck unit. This is our turkey unit. This is our training institute. This is our poultry, entire 60 acres ka area. These are our residential quarters. This is our wonderful classroom. I am afraid we are not able to meet like this because of the corona. This is our wonderful hostel. These are wonderful training facilities for you. This is the automated. 12 sheds are automated. And this is the automation inside for the poultry. And these are the birds I already showed you. These are white Pekin. This is khaki Campbell. These are bronze. These are free range units. What new initiatives we have done is we have transformed entirely into online. Please download an app, CPDO and TI in Google Play Store. Every recordings of 50 speakers are available. We have a YouTube channel which is CPDO and TI training. CPDO and TI training. If you have gone into online, you can see wonderful speakers, including Dinesh was here. You can see such things we have done, discussion forum, EPAW, online forums like, and we have established 100 kilowatt solar unit. This is my satisfying moment, I would say, because we are producing more than the required in the institute. We are saving 30,000 rupees electricity bill, 100 kilowatt in our solar unit on the rooftop, including poultry and turkey. No doubt hatchery I cannot match, feed mill I cannot match, but daily usage of fan, daily usage of lights, we are producing 100 kilowatt. Please recharge bore wells. Catch every drop of rainwater which comes onto your roof, put back to the Mother Earth. This is a method. Please take a picture of this. So you should just only connect your rainwater harvest into this. This is the technology for that. ऊपर पूरा आपको hard stone, small stone ये सब करना है. Very simple technology for you. Thank you all. This is my mobile number. This is my email ID. This is my website. I want you all to become this fish. ये तो कोजी है सर. दिनेश सर ने एक वर्कशॉप कर दिया, मजा आया, अच्छा बात किया, but don't be here. Take a risk. Take a risk to become this fish. Jump to the new pond. Thank you very much, my youth who are listening to me very carefully, wonderfully well. I wish that have energy in the morning. Go for cycling. Go for your energy boost ups. Dream big in your mind. So, mera dream tha when I left my AMB, when they asked me why can't you join my campus placement of ITC and McCain, मैंने वो बोला सर ITC McCain में जाने से मैं किसी को काम करूंगा, मैं भारत सरकार का अंदर काम करूंगा. मैं अभी जॉइंट कमिश्नर बन गया, फिर भी दिल्ली नहीं गया. मैं मंत्री को रिक्वेस्ट किया सर मैं बेंगलुरु में काम करूंगा, बेंगलुरु से पूरा ऑपरेट करूंगा दुनिया भर. So what was my dream? Motivating 1 lakh people. This is what I told I am professor. Motivating 1 lakh, including 50 of you. The thing is hand-holding 100 entrepreneurs. Now I must be hand-holding around 15 entrepreneurs. I welcome all of you to visit me. I will hand-hold you. I will train you. I will guide you. I will force you. The third one is planting 1 lakh trees. I think I have done now around 20,000 in my life. Now I am almost 51. Let me see that before we end our life, I will do that, my goals. Thank you very much. I think I have pushed you with a strong dream to set in. Please remember Abdul Kalam ji, my former president, my guru. Small aim is a crime. Small aim is a crime. Don't do that. Set your wings of fire. Fly high. Your dreams will come true. Persons like Dinesh and such many others are there to support you for your endeavors. Thank you very much. Now I'll hand over to Dinesh. All over to Dinesh.